What's up guys, it's Nicole, also known as Nikki Vegan, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make autumn-inspired breakfast cookies. This is perfect for those mornings where you have to get up and get out the door really quickly because it's very meal prep friendly and actually filling and delicious. It has all of the nutrients that a bowl of oatmeal would have, but just in portable cookie form, which makes it kind of fun because you're having cookies for breakfast, but it's really convenient and easy to make, so I hope you guys love it. So the idea is that on a morning where I have a little bit more time, I go ahead and I gather up my ingredients, I make these cookies, and then I have them for obviously the morning I make them, but then also, you know, I can keep them in a little container over here and I have them throughout the week. This is a very easy recipe. It comes together in just a couple minutes. I'm gonna throw these into the oven and then go finish my hair. And by the time I'm done, the cookies will be done and breakfast will be served. For the wet ingredients, I'm going to start with some unsweetened applesauce, pure maple syrup, a bit of melted coconut oil, and some good vanilla extract. Then I'm going to add some fresh orange zest, which really is a key ingredient here. It adds such a bright flavor and it just makes these extra delicious. Then I'm going to add some flaxseed. This is going to add some nice omegas and fiber, but also it helps kind of bind the cookies together and make sure that they're really nice and chewy and not dry and crumbly. Then I'm going to mix that together and go ahead and make my oat flour. This is super simple. I just take some regular old-fashioned oats and I pulse it a few times in my blender. I usually do it for about 7 seconds to be exact. And then you end up with this really cool oat flour. Then I'm going to add some whole oats for some texture and a little bit of baking powder. Cinnamon, ginger, allspice, and sea salt. And then I'm just going to mix this together. And actually I started with a whisk and I realized that it is so much easier with a fork. So I just used a regular fork, kind of fluffed this around until everything was well combined, and then I added some dried fruit. I'm going to add some really nice texture and flavor with some dried apple and cranberry, very fall-inspired fruits. I also have some sliced almonds. You can add whatever kind of nuts you like, or even pumpkin seeds. And then I'm going to combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients and mix this together. I separate this into 6 balls, and then you want to kind of press them down because they're not going to spread in the oven. So I kind of just do this the same way that I make a veggie burger. I press them down and then I kind of tidy up the sides so that they have a nice smooth edge. And that way you get a really evenly cooked cookie that's really nice and chewy in the middle and crispy on the outside. These cookies are so flavorful because that orange zest plays so well with the cranberry, and they're really hearty and filling because we've got the whole oats, we've got the almonds, the dried fruit, and the flaxseed. It's going to create a really fiber-rich, energizing, delicious cookie that will actually keep you really nice and full. Sometimes I have one with a cup of coffee, maybe a banana or apple on the side. Sometimes I have 2, it just depends on how hungry I am, but these make a great snack or breakfast option on the go, and they last in an airtight container for up to 5 days. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up because that really helps out my channel. And if you want to see what I eat in a day as a vegan, go ahead and click right here. And if you need a dinner recipe that's super easy, something you can definitely make tonight, then go ahead and click right here. And I will see you guys in a video very soon. Bye.